cool. Strawberry ice cream, delicious raspberries. I have some pink cranberry juice. It's gonna be so good. Just all over our ice cream, just like that. Strawberries, it's gonna go right here. Some grapes. Gonna sprinkle some grapes in here. You can put whatever fruits you want, but I'm just sticking with these three. And let me know in the comments where you guys are watching from and if you would try this delicious recipe. I'm gonna go in with some sparkling cider. You can skip this step if you want, but this just adds a little yummy taste to it, so it's not too berry. Just like that. You guys are thinking it looks a little bit questionable right now, and I agree with you, but just wait until the ice cream melts, which will happen in just a second. It's gonna be so delicious. Look at that, all of our yummy berries. All right, so you're gonna use your glass, and you're gonna put it inside some white frosting, just like that.
I see.
So it should look something like this. You get some sprinkles, and you're going to just kind of make a little line of sprinkles. And you're going to use your frosting as glue for the sprinkles. And it should look something like this. You're just going to collect all the sprinkles.
Fancy.
Just like that. Look how pretty this looks. It's so beautiful. I love it. What do you think? I think it looks amazing.
Amazing.
All right, now we're ready for the best part. So I have some food coloring here. You can skip this step, but we're just gonna make some cool little fun designs on our drink. Just like that, just a couple dots of the food coloring. I'm using the pink, you could also use red. I'm just getting a regular spoon and just gonna create some little designs that did not work.
Cute.
Guys, I have some dry ice here. It's really important to not touch this with your hands. So make sure you have some silicone gloves. We're gonna put this inside our drink. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Whoa! Look at how cool! Wow.
This is the best
Like
Valentine's
a pink
Day present.
volcano.
Yeah, look at that.
This is amazing. Look at how cool. Now you guys definitely want to make sure not to drink this when this is bubbling up like this.
No, I think you can.
You're not
Really?
supposed to. Yep.
Wow. I thought you're supposed to drink. You can drink it when you have dry ice in it. They have drinks. They serve drinks
Yeah,
like
but
that.
not when it's bubbling up like this. Neat. Okay, this is the coolest thing ever. This is gonna impress your friends, and look at how easy this was. It was just a couple of steps and boom, you have this amazing drink that's gonna elevate all of your parties or get-togethers or even just a dinner. Even birthday parties. This is so cool. All right, so I have this really cool swan ladle. I'm gonna get some of my drink. Oh, this looks so good and it smells delicious. Gonna pour some in here. Yum. It's like a smoothie. Get some berries. Oh wow, you guys, this is gonna be so good. Let's get some more. Look at how cool. Yum, my mouth is watering just looking at this, by the way. And you can use a strawberry little garnish to put right here. I'm going to use some cotton candy. By the way, Kyle made this cotton candy. Isn't that cool?
Yay.
And we're just gonna bunch it up and you're just gonna kind of put it like that.
Ah, like a fancy garnish.
Fancy. Look at how cool that looks.
Yeah.
So we have a really cute pinkity drinkity here.
Pinkity drinkity.
Pinkity drinkity.
Whoa, all right.
Gonna put a straw. This is a huge straw, by the way. Where did you find this? It's so big.
I wanted a clear one.
It's like a straw for a giant.
All right, we'll cut your straws down next time. Will it work?
Mmm.
Is it delish?
So delicious. It's like strawberry and apple. Oh, it's so good. If you want more of the strawberry taste, I will leave the sparkling cider out, but honestly, I love the apple and strawberry taste. It's so good. Man, this is delicious.
We're gonna call it pinkity drinkity, right?
The pinkity drinkity. So yummy.